used for and range to sum the even integers from 2 through 100. It means it include 100, then display the sums. Okay. So we are continuing with the range function. Often we use with the for loop. So here we are going to say for number in range. You say 2 through 100. Okay, include 100. So we have to say 101 because here if we say 100, it will be excluded. It's an even number. We start from 2 and 4 and 6. So we can say increase by 2 or step by 2. And then I forgot colon, total plus equal number. Okay, of course we need to have a total. Let's say 0. Print total. Let me quickly check using range functions. Okay, start from 2 here through 100, include 100. So we have to say 101. And then we are talking about even number. So 2 increased by 2, so it will be 4, and then 6 and 8 and 10 and so on. Then we are looking at sum, okay? Even though I say sum total here, a total plus equal to number, initialize total, then we print it. So if you say, sorry, so there is a typo. It says 2,550, okay? You can try with 11. Say, sorry, okay? So 2 plus 4 and 6 and 8 and 10, that will be sorry, okay? The original question was 101. That's all. Thank you.